This shit wet.
Dennis said his first word.
He did?
Come on, honey. Say it again.
Maybe Nina, Lemon, Saffron, Dave the magical cheese wizard, Lychee.
We take a bottle, becomes a glass. Where'd it go? It's in my...
What are you doing back here?
I can't find my fucking face!
Why does everyone want the crowbar?
Because it's a fucking crowbar. Are you fucking serious?
What are you gonna do with it?
Fucking nothing, but I'm gonna own a fucking crowbar now, so that's the fucking shit.
So you've been waiting 10 hours for a crowbar that says Supreme.
Oh, I didn't even know it said Supreme. I just want a fucking crowbar.
We deserve respect!
Ted, shut up.
Fine.